only king in the world who spread the message of Buddhism through his different initiatives. बुद्ध के सिवा किसी ने no other king except Buddha, Ashok spread his own religion. Anyway, then how did Islam come to India? Islam came to India very much. It came from 8th century, 8वीं शताब्दी से इस्लाम में आना चालू किया. कैसे? और उसके लिए, for that I will take you to one of the greatest Hindu saints. His name is Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda. In his collected works, volume 8, page 330, Swami Vivekananda संकलित रचनाएं खंड 8 पृष्ठ 330 में लिखते हैं, ये कहना बिल्कुल गलत है, ये कहना बिल्कुल गलत है कि इस्लाम यहाँ तलवार की नोक पर फैला. यहाँ के शूद्रों ने, यहाँ के अछूतों ने वर्ण व्यवस्था के अत्याचार से बचने के लिए इस्लाम धर्म को कबूल किया. What does Swami Vivekananda write? It is wrong to say that Islam is made of the strength of the sword. The Shudras, the untouchables, embraced Islam to escape the caste tyranny of this land. Logical, illogical. तर्कपूर्ण या गैर तर्कपूर्ण? हम जब बात कर रहे थे धर्म की आइडेंटिटी की, when we are talking of identity of religion, उसमें एक बात हमने देखा, धर्मस्थल, प्लेस ऑफ वर्शिप. हिंदुओं का धर्मस्थल क्या है? हेलो, आप हिंदुओं का धर्मस्थल क्या है? क्या हिंदुओं का धर्मस्थल क्या है? मंदिर. इसे केजी लेवल का सवाल मैंने आपसे पूछा, सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट. हिंदुओं का धर्मस्थल मंदिर, तो सब हिंदुओं को मंदिर में जाने की इजाजत थी? हेलो, नहीं. शूद्रों को मंदिर में जाने की इजाजत थी? आज है क्या? I try to balance it out. I want to make happy say your name here. Please. Happy say your name here. तो मैं कहूँगा आज 50-50. पहले बिल्कुल नहीं था, आज 50-50. ठीक है? तो भी ब्लॉकिंग कर देंगे. Please, I think I wish you cooperate. So अगर शूद्रों को मंदिर में जाने की अनुमति नहीं थी, तो वो कहाँ जाते थे? कहीं तो जाना, किसी पवित्र जगह पर जाना. वो जहाँ जाते थे उस जगह का नाम है सूफी संत की दरगाह. सूफी संत की दरगाह में किसी को मना है क्या? ये धर्म का व्यक्ति नहीं आ सकता, ये जाति का व्यक्ति नहीं आ सकता. सभी धर्मों के लोगों का वहाँ स्वागत है. आपकी सूफी संत were welcoming people from all religions, and it is because of the influence of Sufi saints that Islam spread in India. Islam spread also in Kashmir, mainly because of the influence of Sufi saints. Number one. But of course, spread of religion is very complex, multifactorial. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru writes in his book Discovery of India that 80% of Muslims in India are converts from untouchables. शूद्रों में से 80% मुसलमान आए, बाकी 3-4% डर के कारण, out of fear, 3-4%. Fear of a Muslim king did lead to some conversion, but not more than 2 or 3%. Then सत्ता का लालच. अगर मैं जमींदार हूँ, मैं हिंदू हूँ, मेरा राजा मुसलमान है, मुझे लगेगा अगर मैं भी मुसलमान बन गया तो मेरा प्रमोशन होने का चांस. प्रमोशन के लिए तो आजकल भी लोग बहुत चक्कर चलाते हैं, पहले भी चला रहे थे. उसमें एक तीसरा एक जो बड़ा प्यारा कारण है वो है आपसी मेलजोल. The interaction of this community also led to spread of Islam. And for this, I will try to tell you one Muslim community called Nawayat Muslims. Nawayat Muslims, they are in Kerala. Have you finished? You can tell me. What were you talking about? Nawayat Muslims in Kerala. Nawayat means newly converted Muslims. Now, how do we say that earlier they were Hindus and they became Muslims? Similar traditions are there in the Neo-Muslims in Nepal. Similar traditions. Now, for this, I will try to tell you one marriage ritual amongst the Nawayat Muslims, from which we can guess that earlier they were Hindus. So Muslims, What is the marriage bond? Who performs nikah? Qazi comes. What does he ask? What does he ask? Kabul hai nikah? You are happy if we should solve this. Okay, nikah. Whom does he ask first? Right. First to the bride. Okay. Qazi साहब आ गए. लड़की को पूछा कबूल है कबूल है कबूल है, और लड़कियां पहले शर्माती थी, आज की बात नहीं कर रहा है, कोविड में पहले शर्माती थी. काजी साहब ने पूछा कबूल है कबूल है कबूल है, लड़की ने शर्मा के बोला फिर लड़के के पास गए काजी साहब, लड़का तो बेचैन बैठा कब वहां पर लड़की को पूछा कबूल है कबूल है कबूल है, के बाद शादी बड़े आफ्टर दिस आग के साथ फेरे देते हैं, उसके बाद आग के साथ फेरे दीजिए, उनकी शादी को पूरा. So this is what our society is. People accept each from each other, and that's how Devati Muslims, Nawayat Muslims, and many other Muslims, they accepted. From Hindus, they converted to Islam. Anyway, since this question is important, I will try to explain that. I would like you, since you are going into very challenging profession, I would like you to understand that conversion is not illegal. Conversion is not illegal. Articles 25 to 30 of Indian Constitution tell us that we have a full right to convert, change our religion. Which has been the biggest conversion in India, in independent India, which has been the biggest conversion? Dr. Ambedkar, 1956, converting from Hinduism to Buddhism. And as such, if you see Indian history, भारतीय इतिहास को देखो, भारतीय इतिहास में सबसे पहले लोगों ने जैन धर्म को स्वीकार किया, बाद में बुद्ध धर्म को स्वीकार किया, बाद में क्रिश्चियन धर्म को स्वीकार किया, बाद में इस्लाम को स्वीकार किया, बाद में सिखिज्म को स्वीकार किया. All these religions came out of social interaction and change. And anyway, so this is how religions spread. And one more point I want to make, which is very asserted thesis, for which many pastors are killed. There is the anti-Christian violence, and that is spread of Christianity. Spread of Christianity. आपको याद होगा कि ओडिशा में एक पैस्टर ग्राहम स्टेवर्ट स्टेन्स को उनके दो मासूम बच्चों के साथ जिंदा जला दिया गया था. पैस्टर ग्राहम स्टेन्स was burnt alive around two innocent children. And recently we have been this Kanwal violence in which around 400 Christians were killed, thousands of them were displaced. What is being said? Can I request you to become silent? Thank you very much. So, anti-Christian violence, I will take 2 points. I want to tell you that, number one, I want to ask you a question. If Christian missionaries are converting by force, God, allurement, लालच से डरा के ये सब करके अगर Christian missionary, if they are spreading their religion, if the percentage of Christians in India should increase or should decrease? Now I'm trying to tell you the statistics of last 40 years, and my numbers are based on the census figures of Indian census. Okay? And please try to know these figures are given in the book. These census figures are 1971, 81, 91, 2001. 71, 2.60. 1981, 2.44. 1991, 2.34. And 2001, 2.30. So 71, 81, 91, 2001, and here it is 2.60, 2.44, 2.34, 2.30. So percentage of Christians is increasing or decreasing? Which Christian community is older, Indian or American? Which Christian community is older, Indian or American? Wrong. Indian is older, because in India, Saint Thomas came in year 52 AD 52. सेंट थॉमस 52 में यहाँ आए, तब से यहाँ चर्चेस की स्थापना हुई। तो भारत में ईसाई धर्म कितने साल से चल रहा है? 1960 years। अभी 2012 आ गए, कितने साल पहले जाए? 1960 साल में निकल गया। For 1960 years, Christian religion is spreading, and in these 60 years, missionaries are converting. How many people they would convert in 1960 years? 2.3 or 2.3. So if the Lord Almighty appoints me as the examiner, evaluator of their work, should I make them pass or fail? Because at 2.3%, only ministers' children can pass. Now, there are a lot of details. The last point I will tell you. There is anti-Christian violence. Anti-Christian violence is in cities or in Adivasi area. This is a question mark to you. This question I generally give for the intelligent people. Whenever I see that they are thinking about it, I give this question. So you think about it. Why anti-Christian violence on the pretext of conversion takes place more in the Adivasi area and not in city like Mumbai. One hint I'm giving you. You know, in our Bombay, there is a chori. हमारे बम्बई में चाचा भतीजा की जोड़ी। वो मराठी के नाम से गैर मराठी लोगों को मारते, गैर हिंदुओं को मारते, मराठी के नाम पे दूसरों को मारते। तो ये बताइए, ये ठाकरे परिवार के बच्चे कौन से स्कूल में पढ़ना चाहिए? मुंबई मराठी म्यूजिकल स्कूल में पढ़ना चाहिए या कहीं और पढ़ना चाहिए? पढ़ते कहाँ है? Very interesting anecdote. They keep saying, Christian missionaries. In city, there are a lot of Christian missionaries. Yes, are the people scared of sending their children to these Christian mission schools? No. If I send my daughter and boy to this school, after 3 years, will come and start doing like this? In cities, there is a competition. Where should my child study? But in Adivasi area, the same work is looked down upon. They are beaten for that. So the reason for that, I will discuss with you later. But one interesting anecdote I want to tell you. Recently, I went to Patna. And in Patna,